Just a little bit more, and your dream will come true. So cute. A touch of pink. Let's style your hair too. Gotta straighten things up.
You don't need this anymore, do you?
But I could totally use a paintbrush.
No problem. Here!
Oh, you will look gorgeous. Well, friends, have you already guessed what we're gonna do today?
Wow, I've never seen such pretty trolls. Yay! I love this animated movie so much.
Oh, I really love it too. Just look at Poppy. She's fabulous.
And our favorite is Branch. Branch.
You know what? I think you'd make a great Poppy.
Thank you, Sammy.
Actually, it's an awesome idea. What if we turn dolls into trolls? What do you think?
You can really do that?
Of course we can. Let's get down to work.
Alrighty, who's gonna be the first for a makeover?
Wow, Sue, you aren't wasting time. You've already started the casting. So, who is the bravest one here?
Ooh, me. Can it be me? Please, I want to go first.
So, I'm guessing we're turning you into Poppy.
Yay!
Hey guys, I've got an idea. How about munching on some sweets while we're waiting?
Ew.
Sweets are boring. Do you have anything else?
What? Sweets are boring? How can they say that sweets are boring? This is outrageous! Okay, dear future trolls, I'll teach you a lesson!
Okay, sweetie, we'll start with your face. All done. Now we need to paint you pink. But first, one very important detail. Trolls have cute long ears. We made them for you from clay. Now it's time to start painting. Don't worry, I won't miss a spot.
So, here goes the creepiest story. Once upon a time on a holiday...
Holiday? Cool. We love holidays.
Huh? No! My story is not only about a holiday, it's also about the Bergens! Ah!
Oh no!
Oh yes, the Bergens, who, in case you didn't know, catch trolls.
Sam!
Yes, I'm already coming.
What's with all that noise?
Oh, you know, just sharing some stories with dolls.
I see. Bring me some threads, please.
Easy peasy, just give me a second.
Thanks. What would I only do without you?
I'm in such a good mood. I think I'm starting to get this trolls vibe. Wait, is that a thread? It's so pretty and pink. What if I follow it? Where is it leading? Huh? Mommy? Instead of a Bergen, a mummy visited us.
Sammy, it's just me. Can you help me? I'm stuck here.
What? So it was you? You scared me.
Ow, whoa! Ouch!
Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to. It was an accident. Ugh.
It's okay, it was even a bit funny.
It's not funny. Let's get revenge.
Sue, here are the threads you asked for.
Thank you. Just what I need.
Wait, Sammy, it was a joke.
This is how we'll get nice troll hair. Look at how fluffy the thread has become. So cute. Well, Sammy, what do you think?
Looks cool, but I don't get it. Why did you tie it to a pencil?
So it didn't go anywhere. Once we're finished brushing, we need to straighten this hair, like this. See? It's ready. Now we'll just glue all these strands to the doll's head this way, and then we'll lift the hair. Voila!
Behold, the king is here. You may now bring sweets and candy.
I'll take that.
Hey, Sue! No, it's mine! Ugh, so unfair.
Oh, come on. Poppy needs this tiara more than you. She is from a royal family after all. Aw, you are so pretty.
Now I see. Psst, Sue, but what about her clothes? I mean, she must have some clothes, right?
Oops. I almost missed that part.
Wow, look at you. Sue, you're a real pro. Come on, let's show you off to everyone.
Okay.
Hey, guys, look at our Poppy. She turned out so cool, right? Wait, where is everyone?
Sammy, up there.
Hey guys, look at how high I've climbed. Whoa!
Gotcha.
Phew, I was so scared, I nearly fainted.
Sammy, you okay?
Since you literally fell into my hands, let's go with your makeover next. Time for your beautiful, long, bright blue hair. Wow, you look like a real branch.
All branches ready. Come with me, we're gonna have a lesson. Good day, my dear trolls. Today the topic of the lesson is how to be a real troll.
But we already look like trolls. Isn't it enough?
Of course it's not enough. We've got some special rules, you know. Rule number 1, always have fun.
Huh, I like this rule.
Yeah, woohoo!
Rule number 2, sing when you're having fun.
Oh, this is a great rule, too. What do you think, Sammy?
Lovely, Poppy, but let's not get distracted, because the last rule is the strictest and most serious one. We run away from Bergens. Huh?
We run away from who?
Hey, Sue, you've got a delivery.
It's a Bergen! Run!
Bergen! Run, run, run!
Roger, you're just in time.
In time for what? You know what? I'd better come back later, okay?
Pooh! Hail Tibidaba, we're safe. It was a close call, really.
Hey, Sammy, wasn't that your neighbor, Roger? Looked like him.
Huh? It was not a Bergen after all?
Well, you know what? Yeah, I pranked you, okay? Sue, Roger scared poor trolls so much. 2 more trolls? Wow.
Yes, look at them. Aren't they cute?
Yeah, they're the cutest. But Sue, where are they all going to live? In my room?
Of course not, Sammy. I've got an idea.
Who? Good. Sam the Builder is at your service. Oops, wrong tool. That's better. So what's the plan?
Sammy, we won't need any tools at all.
Wait, really?
Could you bring me a plastic bottle, please? And I'll get paints.
Got it. Here you are. Sue, good news. I found a bottle.
Is it empty?
Huh? It needs to be empty? Shiver me, Cheddars. It's huge. I will never drink so much water. Come on, this bottle is bigger than me. But I promised. And this slime always keeps his promises.
Okay, I've got paint. Oh, an empty plastic bottle. Perfect. Sammy, where are you? We can get started. Oh no, Sammy, you've drunk too much water, but why?
I wanted to help.
Poor thing, look at you now. You shouldn't drink so much water that you even feel unwell.
Okay, don't worry. I'll go get rid of all this water in an instant.
In the meantime, I'll use magic to turn this bottle into a lovely troll house. Ha-ha. Just how I imagined.
Wow, it's my favorite color. Look how perfectly we match. Don't you think this house suits me better?
Nope.
Okay, then how about making it brighter? Voila! What do you think?
How cute and cheerful. You're a real troll house designer, Sammy. Something's missing.
Hey, Sue! Switch on the light! I can't see anything! Hey! Thanks!
A green bowl. How could we use it?
Woohoo! Is it dinner time?
No, look, it's the perfect roof for our house. Let's just decorate it a bit to make it really troll style.
Sure, it's very pretty, but my tummy is hungry. Gotta find food!
I think this house will be ideal for our Poppy. Look, friends, we've got the whole neighborhood here. It's time to move in.
Wow, cool.
They're so cute. Dibs on the pink one. It's mine.
Oh, that's so nice. Now each of our trolls has their own house.
We promised to have fun.
And we're gonna sing while having fun. And we promise to avoid Bergens too.
Oh, that's right.
Well done, guys. You know all the important troll rules.
Thanks to whom?
Yes, Sammy, you did a great job.
Yeah, I'm a great troll teacher!
Did you like our trolls, houses, and stories, guys? Then subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye-bye.